What if I told you that your brain is aging your face faster than time ever could? This is not skincare hype. This is not a wellness trend. This is neuroscience. New research shows that how you think, feel, and respond to the world is directly sculpting how you look. Not in 10 years, not tomorrow, but right now. Your brain is sending biochemical instructions to your skin, your hair, your connective tissue. Every emotion, every sleepless night, every cycle of stress is being recorded in your appearance. And the most shocking part, you can reverse it, but only if you understand how deep this connection truly runs. Stay with me, because we are about to decode the invisible link between your brain and your beauty, and how to take control of it before it controls you. Let us start with something simple. Your face is not just aging because time is passing. It is aging because your brain is telling it to. Your brain is the command center of your entire body. It regulates your hormones, your immune system, your sleep cycles, your emotional states. And all of those directly affect how you look. Think about it. When you are stressed, what happens? You sleep poorly, you crave unhealthy food, your skin breaks out, your eyes swell, your face looks tired, drawn, older. That is not coincidence. That is cortisol at work. Cortisol, your primary stress hormone, is released by your brain when it detects a threat. It prepares your body for survival, not beauty. It shunts blood away from the skin to your muscles. It slows collagen production. It triggers inflammation. And if it happens occasionally, your body recovers. But when it happens all the time, when your stress is chronic, that is when visible aging accelerates. Even your facial expressions are shaped by your emotions. Your brain tells your face to smile, frown, squint, or scowl. Over time, those repetitive movements etch lines into your skin. But they also tell the world what you feel. Chronic sadness can lower your facial muscle tone. Chronic anger creates deep lines between the eyebrows. Chronic anxiety tightens your jaw, narrows your eyes, thins your lips. In other words, your brain writes your biography on your face. Let us go deeper. Your brain communicates with your skin through a complex system of nerves, hormones, and immune signals. This is called the brain-skin axis. When your brain perceives a threat, it releases neuropeptides, chemical messengers that trigger inflammation in the skin. That inflammation leads to redness, puffiness, acne, or even conditions like eczema or psoriasis. And this process can happen in a matter of minutes. Think about a time you were embarrassed and your face turned red. That was your brain activating your blood vessels. Or a time you were so stressed you broke out in hives. That was not your skin reacting on its own. That was your nervous system pulling the strings. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of visible aging. It breaks down collagen, damages elastin, slows cell regeneration. And if your brain is constantly in a state of low-grade stress, it keeps your skin in a permanent state of repair mode. That is like trying to remodel a house while it is still on fire. Now let us talk about sleep. Sleep is when your brain and body repair themselves. But when you do not sleep, your brain releases more cortisol, reduces growth hormone, and suppresses melatonin. Melatonin is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage and helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Without enough of it, your skin ages faster. The science is clear. Your brain health is your skin health. Now here is where things get even more interesting. Your thoughts, beliefs, and mindset also affect how you age. In a groundbreaking study at Yale, researchers found that people with a positive attitude toward aging lived 7.5 years longer than those with a negative attitude. Not only did they live longer, they looked younger, moved more freely, and had lower rates of disease. Why? Because their brains were not sending constant stress signals to their bodies. They had lower cortisol, better sleep, stronger immune systems. Your self-talk is not just affecting your mood. It is aging or rejuvenating your body. When you constantly criticize yourself, your brain releases stress chemicals. When you feel shame, fear, or helplessness, your immune system is suppressed. When you live in a constant state of mental tension, your muscles stay tight, your breathing becomes shallow, your skin gets less oxygen. On the other hand, practices like gratitude, mindfulness, and compassion activate the parasympathetic nervous system. That is your body's rest and repair mode. It lowers your heart rate, improves digestion, boosts cell regeneration, and yes, it improves your skin tone, texture, and glow. So the question is not just, what cream are you using? The question is, what thoughts are you thinking? So now that we understand how the brain is aging the body, let us talk about how to reverse it. Here are 5 proven strategies to calm the brain, balance the nervous system, and rejuvenate the body from the inside out. 1. Daily mindfulness practice. Even 10 minutes of focused breathing can reduce cortisol, increase oxygen to the skin, and improve emotional regulation. Over time, mindfulness literally rewires the brain. It strengthens the prefrontal cortex, shrinks the amygdala, and increases resilience to stress. 2. Sleep optimization. Deep sleep is the most powerful anti-aging drug your brain produces. Create a sacred nighttime routine. Limit blue light exposure. Sleep in complete darkness. Use calming rituals to trigger melatonin release. Your brain repairs your cells while you sleep, but only if you let it. 3. Neuro nutrition. Eat for your brain, and your face will follow. Omega-3s, antioxidants, polyphenols, adaptogens. These do not just nourish your brain. They reduce inflammation, stabilize mood, and improve skin clarity. Food is communication. What are you telling your brain to do? 4. Emotional processing. Unprocessed emotions are stored in the body. Suppressed anger, ungrieved loss, chronic fear. They all keep your brain in a threat state. Learn to name your feelings. Speak them. Write them. Move through them. Emotional flow equals cellular repair. 5. Cognitive rewiring. Your brain believes what you repeatedly tell it. Replace self-criticism with curiosity. Trade perfectionism for presence. Choose thoughts that soothe your system instead of shocking it. Your inner voice becomes your outer form. These are not quick fixes. They are rewiring tools. Your goal is not just to look younger. It is to age in alignment with your deepest state of peace. We are entering a new era. Beauty is no longer skin deep, it is brain deep. The old model said, fix the outside and you will feel better inside. The new model says, heal the inside and it will radiate through your skin. This is not about chasing youth. It is about restoring wholeness. It is about letting your body reflect your inner balance. When your brain is calm, your skin glows. When your nervous system is balanced, your eyes soften. When your thoughts are kind, your face opens. You do not need to fight time. You need to align with your biology. So the next time you look in the mirror, do not ask, what do I need to fix? Ask, what is my brain trying to tell me? Because your beauty is not fading, it is waiting. Waiting for your brain to send the right signal. Now you know the truth. The most powerful beauty tool you will ever own is your brain. So here is your challenge for the next 7 days. Treat your mind like your most sacred beauty organ. Protect it. Nourish it. Listen to it. Instead of asking what you should put on your face, ask what you should take off your mind. One thought at a time. If this video changed how you see yourself, then share it with someone whose reflection needs a new story. Help them see that their face is not aging. It is responding. Your mind is the artist. Your body is the canvas. And your beauty. It begins with a signal. Choose the right one.